Guess where we are, guys.
And we're gonna get some.
Yeah. Do you guys want to check out what they got? Not really. Let me see. I might like something. Oh, look, they got cinnamon scone, blueberry scone.
This is the plushie I wanted. It's so cute.
Well, this is the plush I wanted.
This is the plushie Max.
So the only reason we're here, guys, is because Michaela. Guys, literally, I love this. Okay, for sure, I'm gonna do the wooden hangers. Look at this. Love. What do you think, Mama?
$39.99. I want a room like this. Me too.
Cute. This is cute too. I want my house to look like IKEA.
That's what I've been saying.
For sure.
Listen to me.
For sure. This kitchen thing, look. I like this little ladder. I could put my little flowers. Then I can do like little crates. And then I can hang the pans for sure. Honestly, it like maximizes space.
Sending literally everything.
So far, I've gotten some good finds.
Come on. I thought you were going to trap me, guys.
No, should I get a wooden one?
No.
I think the plastic one's better for like cleaning.
Can we go upstairs?
The cook shop. Definitely my aisle, guys. First of all, I need this type of kitchen. This is giving like Hampton vibes. My haul, guys, I'm gonna have to show you. This is cute.
This is so cute. Now we're going.